Hello, my dear Scorpio. Okay? Hello, my dear. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. My name is RJ. Your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin ngayon is yung ating daily reading para po ito sa araw ng June 4, 2026. Titingnan natin kung ano mga eksena, kaganapan at kung ano-ano pa na maaari mong makasalubong sa araw na ito. Pero bago tayo, my dear, mag-proceed sa ating reading, magkapasalamat po muna ako. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga abangers. Hello! Good morning po. Sa mga walang sawang nag-aabang at naghihintay ng kanilang readings, thank you so much. Gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan yung mga napadaan na pasilip lamang po sa ating channel. Thank you so much for dropping by, and of course, maraming salamat po sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Hello, my dear! Welcome po sa ating channel. I hope na mag-enjoy po kayo dito at mahanap po ninyo kung ano man po ang inyong hinahanap sa channel na ito. Okay, shuffle ko lang to, ha. Minsan kasi kailangan ko talagang huminto mag-shuffle para makapag-focus ako dun sa sinasabi ko. Okay? And kung bakit nakatago, nakatago ako mag-shuffle, my dear. Lately, I've been noticing na kaya pala na-overwhelm ako. At sa oras na nagre-reading na ako, parang, ano na siya, yung para bang may kulang na. Or parang ano na, kasi na-overwhelm ako ng energy. And there's a reason, yung aking pagsha-shuffle pala, nakikita ko na yung card. And nakakakuha na ako ng energy, okay? So, I decided na, is either pipikit ako pag nagsa-shuffle ako, or kung kagaya ngayon, may camera sa harapan ko, pipikit ako at itatago ko yung card. Okay, para hindi natin pare-parehas nakikita yung mga cards. Okay, that's the reason behind. Kasi baka nagtataka, bakit ganyan siya mag-shuffle? No? Kung ako ay kaharap ninyo, makikita ninyo habang nag-shuffle ako, nakapikit ako. Okay, so I don't see the cards. Okay? Kasi pag sinashuffle mo siya, nakikita mo yung cards. Okay, let's go na tayo, my dear. Tama na ang chika. Scorpio. Ang tanging hiling at dasal ko lamang po sa ating buong may kapal na ang mga readings na ginagawa ko ay nakakatulong po sa ating lahat. Para sa reading na ito, my dear, kasama natin si Capre. Okay? This card is named after Capricorn. Okay? I promise Capricorn na isusunod ko ang pangalan ng ating customized tarot or customized tarot card, oracle card sa kanya. And this is Capre. Kasama natin siya sa reading natin today. Okay, my dear Scorpio, let's go na tayo. Kay Cancer, nakakuha ako ng apat na cards. So, I will be doing the same sa'yo. I will be doing the same thing. We have your energy ni Aries. Okay? Anong ginagawa ni Aries sa energy mo, Scorpio? Okay? Dalawa lang yan. Is either you're dealing with Aries sign, okay? Or maybe you have this very fiery na energy, okay? Ano lang yan, dalawang energy lang yan. Maybe you're dealing with a Aries zodiac sign, or maybe you have this very fiery na energy, okay? Let me see, my dear Scorpio. We have here, yes, spotlight. Alam mo, Aries loves spotlight. Okay, gustong-gusto yan ni Aries. Yan, attention. Okay, gustong-gusto yan ni Aries. Okay, very competitive. Okay, ang ating mga my dear Aries. So, maybe you have this energy ni Aries as of this moment, or maybe if you're dealing with a Aries zodiac sign, naghahanap ng spotlight tong tao na to. Naghahanap ng atensyon, panahon. So if you are dealing with an Aries, okay, like your partner, your husband, your wife, okay, ano siya, naghahanap siya ng attention today, okay, naghahanap siya ng care, ng and pag ganito ang moment, my dear, hindi ka mananalo kay Aries. You will never win kay Aries, my dear, kasi bakit? Spotlight and Aries is wow, yun lang talaga masasabi ko dito, my dear, okay? Additional cards pa tayo para ma-clarify natin. We have here ongoing investigation, okay? May nangyayaring investigation, my dear. It's more on parang inoobserbahan, minamanmanan, okay? Let me see nga. We have here, you are destined to be famous. Okay, you are destined to be famous, my dear. Okay, I get what is going on over here, my dear. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, my dear, you are destined, my dear Scorpio, okay? To have, kung sino ka man na nanonood ngayon, okay? Pag napanood mo tong video na to, ibig sabihin, this reading is for you. Hindi accident na napapanood mo ang mga video ko, my dear, ha? It's not an accident, okay? Sinasabi dito, my dear, na nakatadhana ka na maging famous, to gain the spotlight, my dear, to become the Aries. Although you are not Aries, you are Scorpio, but you probably you have Aries sa ibang mga area of responsibility ng iyong chart. Okay, if you believe in astrology, hindi lamang yung pagiging Scorpio ang ini-embody mo, my dear. Maybe you have the Aries also, Aries placement on your chart, okay? And we have your ongoing investigation. So, ibig sabihin, very very soon, my dear, pero nakukuha ko, my dear, kasi yung spotlight is galing sa taas. Okay? Hindi siya galing sa baba. No? I can feel, my dear, na ang ating mga angels, ang ating spirit guides, at ang ating buong may kapal, they're having meeting as of this moment, my dear Scorpio, at pinag-uusapan nila if ibibigay ba nila, my dear, itong spotlight para sa'yo. Okay? Are you ready, my dear Scorpio, to receive itong spotlight na ito? If you are ready, comment down below, I am ready to receive the light. Okay? I am ready to receive the light. Okay? Pwede mo i-comment yan sa baba, or you can actually put your hands sa harapan mo as of this moment while you are watching my video and sabihin mo, I am ready to receive the light. Okay? Claim mo yan. 'Di ba? Kasi as of this moment, nag-uusap ang iyong mga angels, ang iyong spirit guide, kasama ang ating buong may kapal, my dear. Okay? They are talking. Okay? They are talking. And they are talking, and pinag-uusapan nila if you are ready to receive this blessing or this spotlight, my dear. Okay? I love this reading, my dear. Okay? Ang ganda. If you are dealing with a partner na Aries or any fire sign, okay, like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, my dear Scorpio, there's a tendency na mapapansin mo rin sa kanila na parang napaka-ambisyosa or ambisyoso ng datingan nila, my dear, sa araw na ito, okay? Meron silang mga ini-aim or gino-goal, okay? Mai-connect ko lang, my dear, okay? But dito, my dear, if I will just going to connect it with you only, okay? Sa'yo ko lang i-connect yung reading natin. My dear, may parating sa'yong napaka-big. Nagmi-meeting sila ngayon, my dear. They are talking, nag-uusap-usap sila, my dear. They are talking, and yeah, you have this blessing na parating para sa'yo, my dear. Okay, let me see. Ay, eto na tayo. Nakita ko na. Okay, wait a minute. Sinapol ko pa ulit. Let me see, my dear. Tabi na natin si, Capre. Thank you, Capre. Salamat. Let me see, my dear. Let me see. We have here the energy of the Knight of Wands, okay? Sa energy, my dear, ng Knight of Wands, teka, clarify ko siya kaagad. Ang Knight kasi, my dear, para sa akin, is connected sa energy ng, para siyang BDO. Okay, alam mo yung, ng tagline ng BDO, we find way. Actually, this is energy of investigation din para sa akin, my dear, the Knight of Wands, okay? This is more on go-getter, diba? Go-getter, go what you, go get it, kunin mo yan, grab mo yan, parang ganun, my dear, na energy, no? Finding ways, kahit napaka-difficult na ng situation, this is energy of hope, na meron pa rin talagang magagawa dyan sa sitwasyon mo, na everything will be okay, everything will be fine, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Okay, clarify natin siya, my dear. Paki-clarify po ang ating Knight of Wands, Scorpio. Yes, problem solved, my dear. We have here the energy of the Four of Swords and the energy of Knight, okay? I think, alam mo, itong reading natin ngayon is very, very spiritual, okay? Kaya nga sinabi ko sa'yo, my dear, you can actually comment it down below, I claim the light, or you can just lagay mo lang yung kamay mo ng ganyan, my dear, and sasabihin mo, I claim it, I claim the light, yung ganito, my dear. Kasi kung makikita mo, ginagawa ng Four of Swords, no? This is a combination, my dear, ng action at saka ng tiwala. No? This is more on parang is more on parang Jesus take the wheel na energy, okay? Parang gano'n nakukuha ko. Like, gagawin ko tong bagay na to kahit na hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging outcome, ano yung magiging result, because I have faith. And I know para sa akin to. Ganun, my dear Scorpio, ang nakukuha ko dito sa reading na to. I told you, my dear, you are born to receive the light. You are born to be famous. You are born to be rich. You are born to be successful. Pero once again, kahit na you are born to be rich, to be famous, to be successful, kailangan pa rin na alam, ibig sabihin, we are emotionally, mentally, physically, no, spiritually prepared. No, hindi naman pwede na bibigyan ka ngayon ng 1 milyon tapos hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo doon sa 1 milyon, di ba? Marami na nangyari na ganyan, my dear Scorpio. They win the lottery, nanalo sila ng loto, and then after a year, nga. No? Yan yung sinasabi natin, my dear, na parang hindi prepare. Pero ikaw, iba ang atake sa iyo, my dear. No? Kinakailangan ready ka talaga to receive this blessing. Kailangan talagang you are prepared emotionally, mentally, spiritually bago ibigay sa iyo tong blessing na to. Pero this is a positive reading para sa iyo na sinasabi na yes, as long as ready ka na, handa ka na, ibibigay, my dear, kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, okay? This is more on trust the process, my dear, na energy. The Knight of Wands and the Four of Swords. Trust the process, my dear. Na kung ano yan nangyayari sa iyo na problem as of this moment, kung ano to nangyayari sa iyo na problema na may kinalaman sa usapin na pinansyal, makakahanap ka ng problema. Ano problema? Dadagdagan pa ng problema. Makakahanap ka ng solusyon dyan, my dear. Okay? Like, the angels and the spirit guide is actually there. Nandyan sila, my dear. You just need to believe. Kinakailangan mo lang talaga believe, my dear, na they are there for you. Okay? Let me see, my dear Scorpio. Once again, reading mo ito para sa araw ng June 4, 2026, Scorpio. We have here the energy of the Ten of Wands. Don't give up, my dear. Don't give up. You are almost there, my dear. Don't give up. Don't give up, my dear. We have here the energy of the Two of Cups. Sa relationship ba to, my dear? Nagkakaroon ka ba ng problema sa usapin ng relationship? Okay? Are you having hard time sa loob ng relationship? Dalawa kasi tong energy ng card na to, the Ten of Wands and the Two of Cups, my dear. Dalawa tong energy na to is either like walang tumutulong sa'yo, my dear, sa mga pinagdadaanan mo as of this moment, or there's a certain issue, my dear, sa loob ng relationship. You are getting tired of your relationship or something like that, okay? Kung ano man yan, baka ikaw ang nagdadala sa loob ng relationship. You are working very, very hard, my dear, okay? Maybe this is the time, my dear, na ibaba mo yung iyong sword and just let Jesus take the wheel, my dear. No, hayaan mo siya, my dear, na imaneho, my dear, ang relasyon mo. No, you don't need to like manipulate yung relationship or kontrolin ang relationship as long as sinabi mo na lahat sa partner mo kung ano ang problema, ano ang ganito. You just let, my dear, your partner, my dear, do the work, no? Basta sabihin mo lang, ito ang problema, hindi mo pinupush, my dear, yung problema sa partner mo, if you have a partner, 'di ba? Kung ito naman ay may kinalaman sa nag-iisa ka, walang tumutulong sa'yo, sinasabi dito, my dear, na in the near future, hindi ngayon ha, in the near future, my dear, meron ka mga makakatagpo, my dear, na mga tao na tutulong sa'yo. Pero once again, itong mga tao na to, my dear, dahil pinadala to, my dear, ng ating buong may kapal para sa'yo, hindi sila magtatagal. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nandiyan dyan, my dear, panghabang buhay. Temporary lang yung kanilang yung pagdating. Aalis at aalis lang din sila, my dear. Okay? Eventually, okay? Oh. At least, may mga darating. Okay? Oy! The energy of the Ace of Cups na hulog, my dear. This is more on emotional freedom. Let me see, my dear Scorpio. Ang ganda ng reading mo, my dear. I love it. The Magician. Yung blockage mo, my dear, nasa emotion. Okay? Yung blockage mo nandito sa emotion, my dear. Kaya ang bigat-bigat. Kasi habang tinatahak mo itong journey sa mundong ito, ang daming nakabaon dyan sa puso mo, my dear. And nagiging block yun, my dear, dyan sa pagiging magician mo, my dear. Remember, yung heart natin nasa gitna is in the center of our body. Tama ba? Center. Actually, ito yung pinaka-center, yung ating bandang chest, bandang stomach, di ba? This is the center actually. Pero, nandyan sa gitna. So, kung ano man ang mangyayari sa kanya, malaki ang magiging effect nun, my dear, malaki ang magiging effect nun, my dear, sa ating galaw, sa ating movement, okay? Kaya nga ang heart, napaka-importante talaga niyan, okay? So, sinasabi dito, my dear, na this is the time, my dear, na magtiwala ka sa ating buong may kapal. Kung ano man yan dala-dala mo, my dear, sa puso mo, kung ano man yan mabigat, my dear, na nasa puso mo, my dear, this is the time, my dear, to let it go, my dear Scorpio, let it go. Problema ba yun sa loob ng relationship? Nahihirapan ka ba? Or parang pakiramdam mo, nagagalit ka ba sa mundo kasi walang tumutulong sa'yo? Whatever it is, my dear, na nasa loob ng puso mo, you just need to let it go, my dear. Sabihin mo sa ating buong may kapal, my dear, na I trust in you, naniniwala po ako sa inyo, everything happened for a reason, naniniwala po ako sa inyo, ile-let go ko na ngayon, I will let you drive my life, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, okay? Diba? Alam mo, my dear, ha? Alam mo, my dear, what I'm trying to say here. Alam mo, my dear, minsan itong ano ng mga spirit guide, it's more on kailangan mo silang papasukin. Kailangan mo silang papasukin, my dear, at hindi sila makapasok kasi yung puso mo, ito kasi ang daan nila, my dear, your heart, This is their daan nila to. Ngayon, kung ang puso mo ay punong-puno ng galit, punong-puno ng sama ng loob, ng stress, so on, kung ano man yan, my dear, na nasa puso mo, hindi sila makakapasok. Hindi sila makakapasok, my dear. No? So, by releasing the blockage, my dear, sa heart mo, makakapasok sila. At ang tanging paraan para makapasok sila is by just, diba, I accept the light. Jesus take the wheel. Yun, my dear. Okay, this is more on trusting the process na araw-araw kang gigising, my dear Scorpio, and ipinagkakaloob mo sa kanya lahat. Ino-offer mo sa kanya lahat, my dear. Kung ano man yung mga nangyari kahapon na hindi maganda, binibitawan mo sa kanya, ibinibigay mo sa kanya yun, my dear. And doon, my dear, na ipagkakaloob sa atin or sa iyo, my dear, yung naka-destiny na kapalaran mo. Kung naka-destiny ka, my dear, na maging famous, maging successful, maging mayaman, by trusting them. Wala nang ibang daan, my dear. Kailangan mo magtiwala, my dear, sa ating buong may kapal na lahat na nangyayari sa iyo may dahilan lahat 'yan. Hindi niya ginagawa 'yan para parusahan ka lang or para pagtripan ka lang. No? Hindi niya ginagawa 'yan. Ginagawa niya 'yan, my dear, to make you strong, to make you a better person, my dear. Kasi yung ibibigay niya sa iyo, my dear, na blessing, kung pagiging famous man yan, pagiging successful man yan, pagiging mayaman man yan, kinakailangan yan, my dear, ng matinding disiplina at meron niyang kasamang matinding responsibilidad. And if you keep on maintaining yung ganyan na energy, yung blessing na ibibigay niya sa iyo, my dear, hindi yan magtatagal. Naintindihan mo ba ibig ko sabihin? Naintindihan mo ba? Comment down below na iintindihan. Okay? Let's go tayo, my dear. Scorpio. Ganda ng reading. We have here the energy of the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Ang Wheel of Fortune is fixing. Actually, kanina ko pa sinasabi parang wheel, 'di ba? Yung 'di ba? My dear, you need to fix, you need to balance the four elements of your body. No, kahit sabihin mo na you are a water sign, meron ka pa ring element, my dear, ng fire, meron ka pa ring energy ng air, meron ka pa ring energy ng earth, meron ka pa ring water, my dear. You are not just like a water sign, hindi ka lang tubig, my dear. You are a composed energy ng apat na element, my dear. And napaka-importante, my dear, na balance mo, my dear, yung energy ng air, which is may kinalaman sa yung emotion, yung iyong mind, yung iyong water, which is may kinalaman sa yung emotion, yung iyong fire, my dear, which is may kinalaman sa iyong desire, yung iyong earth, which is energy of growth and grounding, my dear. You need to balance all of that. And hindi ka, my dear, nabubuhay dun sa isang illusion, my dear, kasi ang Wheel of Fortune is also energy of illusion. May illusion dyan. Yung serpent, my dear, over here, yung ahas, that is energy, my dear, of illusion. Okay, wait lang. Okay, I'm back. Kailangan ko muna magsara, my dear, because of nandyan yung pandesal. Nandyan yung pandesal, my dear. Okay. So, nasa na ba ako kanina? My dear, you need to balance, my dear, yung ating Wheel of Fortune, okay? Let me see. Paki-clarify po ang ating Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Let me see. Let me see, my dear. Scorpio. We have here the energy of the Queen of Wands. For you to get what you want, you need to balance the Wheel of Fortune. Kaya nandyan yung four elements na yan, my dear. We have here the energy of Scorpio. You're a pig sign. Pig sign ka, my dear Scorpio. Pig sign ka. We have here the energy of the Aquarius. We have here the energy of Taurus and energy ng Leo. Kasama ka sa mga pig sign. So therefore, my dear, kailangan very well manage mo talaga or very well balance mo talaga yung iyong emotion. Pero hindi ka lang talaga dun, my dear, magpo-focus. You need to focus, my dear, din dun sa ibang element. Although your mastery or yung specialty mo talaga is more on emotion because you are one of the pig sign, okay? Pero hindi ka lang dapat mag-focus dun. Dapat mag-focus ka rin sa energy ng air, which is may kinalaman sa iyong mind. Sa energy ng fire, which is may kinalaman sa yung action, sa yung determination, sa yung willingness, and sa energy ng earth, which is yung energy ng grounding, energy ng growth, energy ng love. Okay, nandun dapat siya. Dapat yan balance, my dear. Ang mga pig sign, which is Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, and Taurus, meron kayong obligasyon na i-balance ang lahat. Kung ano man yung elements na meron. Dahil water sign ka, you need to balance your emotion. Kasi pag hindi mo na balance yan, my dear, kakainin ka niyan. yan din ang magpapabagsak sa'yo. Yan ang lakas mo, yan din ang magpapabagsak sa'yo. Although hindi talaga siya, yan talaga ang pinaka-importante, pero you need to balance din dun sa ibang, yan ka dyan kasi nagkakamali karamihan eh. Akala nila porket water sign sila, okay, water lang, dun lang ako magpo-focus. You need to balance, my dear. For you to alam mo kasi yan yung magiging daan para mabalance mo lahat. Kung mababalance mo yung emotion mo, mababalance mo yung action mo, mababalance mo yung fire mo. Kung makokontrol mo yung emotion mo, mababalance mo yung thought mo, mababalance mo yung sword mo, yung air mo. Kung mababalance mo, my dear, yung emotion mo, mababalance mo rin yung earth mo, which is yung stability, yung material, my dear. Earth sign is all about material. Kaya nga siya tinawag na earth kasi it's all about material, is all about the possession. Mababalance mo siya, mapapangalagaan mo, is more on grounding, loving, growing, my dear. Yun ang energy ng earth sign. Okay. Ngayon, kung ang iyong emotion is wala sa alignment, okay, ang mangyayari, yung ibang mga kasama niyan, lahat din yan, wala din yan sa alignment. Okay? By focusing on your emotion, kasi yan ang pinaka mo, my dear, yan ang pinaka weakness mo, emotion talaga. Maaayos mo yung ibang element, okay? So yun. Kaya ka peak sign, my dear, lahat ng peak sign, ulitin ko ha, Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, dahil kaya kayo peaks because kayo ay tatamaan talaga ng kung ano man yung element na meron kayo. Ibig sabihin, kung emotion yung hawak mo, tatamaan ka na matinding emosyon. Iba ka pag nasaktan, iba ka pag nakaramdam ng emotion, iba yung processing mo, my dear, talagang masakit. Pero you need, my dear, to convert it into something na magiging advantage mo, okay? We have here the energy of the Eight of Cups. Kakalain mo yon, cut at, my dear. Nangyari, wala na tayong magagawa. Cut at, para hindi ka ma-stuck, my dear. Cut it. This is the time, my dear, to claim your power back. This is the claim, my dear, to claim your throne back. Okay, na akin yan, trono na yan, my dear. This is the time, my dear, to take charge, my dear, sa mundo. This is the time, my dear, na i-claim mo tong destiny mo na ito. This is your destiny, to be famous, to be successful, to be rich. Pero at the same time, kailangan mo patunayan, my dear, sa ating buong may kapal, that you are already balance and capable of receiving itong blessing na ito, my dear, kasi hindi niya ibibigay sa iyo yan, my dear, if you are not balanced. And sa oras na to, my dear, pinapayuhan ka to cut any emotional attachment, any emotional, my dear, yung heart mo, my dear, that is going to be your weakness because you are a water sign. Do you get it? Do you get it, my dear? Okay? So, my dear Scorpio, yan na nasagap natin na message, energy para sa araw na ito, June 4, 2026. Kagaya po na nasabi ko sa bandang unahan ng ating video, ang tanging hiling at dasal ko lamang po sa ating buong may kapal na ang mga readings na ginagawa ko ay nakakatulong po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, my dear. Bye-bye. I love you.